We update. I am getting ready for fours and rotors at the moment, and I've slowly been getting the car ready. I've only just started though, so I've yanked the side skirt off and sanded it. It's all ready for paint. I've got all my paint here, degreaser for engine, kitchen towels, MS silicone. So that's tomorrow's job, to paint that fully, primer, base and clear coat. You wouldn't have seen, but this is the BMX I made. Well, I didn't make it, but I bought it for like $200 and it looked real shit. I'll throw up a picture if I have one. Did a bit of DIY on it and turned out awesome. I got some fireworks here. I bought fucking 4 big Roman candles, whole shit ton of these Poha firecrackers, a lot of these spinning ones. So I mean, all of that there cost me $107, which is a rip-off. Right, Poha firework test at the river. Here we go. But no way is there.
Did it go out?
Alright, this is to the other side of the river shot.
That you can't even see in the camera.
Yes!
Made it. Yeah.
We're going to make sure this does not fall out.
It would be a waste.
Well, let's go.
Jesus. These are good.
Alright, it is Saturday morning. What is the time? 11:48. Just got a new fresh haircut. It was well needed. New Monster that's come out, and it's pretty good for no sugar. So got some more parcels. Hey there, we hope you enjoy your order. Thank you, Molly. Oh, I got freebies as well. Free protein cookie, free protein shake, and my my electrolytes. I gotta repaint that side skirt, so I gotta set up a wee paint booth for it. I am cooking my meals. I need to show you the meals I make because they're so good. It's like 90 grams of protein per serving. What else? And I gotta get my fucking ad account sorted. I'm so close to getting a new agency ad account. So that's what I've been working on, and I'm finally gonna get one, and I won't be getting suspended anymore, hopefully. So I just finished spraying that side skirt. I'll throw up a video of the paint booth. Pretty fucking legendary, that. Pretty makeshift. The plastic kept fucking sticking to my side skirt. Bugs kept flying into it. It's not perfect, but I got the job done. 3 coats of each, primer, base and fucking clear coat. So it's drying in the garage, so I'll leave it for a day before I put it on or something. It turned out alright. I'll throw up a video of it, how it turned out. Degrease the whole sump and fucking all that shit. Wiped it down, scrubbed it, whatever. It's looking good enough. Took those like mud guards off those thingies and water blasted them. So now I just need to put that side skirt back on, jack the car up, do oil change, fucking cut and polish, and then that's basically it. Alright. So what I have done is I've finished those side skirts off. They look real good. Riveted on, super strong, like they do not wiggle or move or anything. They're solid as. Cleaned the inner wheel barrel. Turned out real good, nice and gold. I don't know if it'll stay like that for long, but it only took 5 minutes. But also replaced the wheel. Wow, I checked the tire pressure, it wasn't bad. Just like 3 psi too low on all of them. But I did originally have green little dice valve caps on all my wheels, and I replaced them with blue ones. But I mean, I used to sell these when I was little. And fucking pop sockets, look at that, $6 at school. I was a wee hustler. But you know, that's really it. I just gotta, you know, cut and polish, oil change and polish those wheels up, and that's really it. Hopefully my ad account is being made, maybe. We'll see. You would not believe it, but your boy has got a new ad account. I better not get fucking banned or suspended